dear viewers. Today, we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of Italian cuisine to explore the rich tapestry of flavors that is lasagna. Welcome to the symphony of taste that is lasagna. Are you ready to delve into the depths of this delicious delight? Lasagna is not just a dish, it's a sweet tale deeply rooted in the heart of Italian cuisine. Born in the warm kitchens of Italy, this legendary dish carries the echoes of the past and has become a timeless culinary tradition. The delightful layers of lasagna are crafted with care, from the meticulously prepared pasta sheets to the rich sauces and savory fillings. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind crafting the perfect lasagna, layer by layer. Lasagna undergoes a magical transformation in the heat of the oven. As the cheeses melt and mingle with the luscious sauces, a tantalizing aroma fills the air. Are you ready to experience the warmth and comfort of freshly baked lasagna? Lasagna's popularity knows no bounds, with each country adding its own unique twist to this beloved dish. Join us as we explore the diverse interpretations and presentations of lasagna from around the globe, highlighting its universal appeal. And there you have it, the conclusion of our lasagna journey. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the multifaceted world of lasagna. Don't forget to subscribe. Bon appetit! And may you savor every delicious bite of lasagna that graces your table.